Initially it was a group of gay men, and they sat in a pub talking about how traditional football environments and changing rooms and that kind of Sunday league environment was just very kind of macho and not somewhere that they particularly felt safe being. And I think one of them just said, well, why don't we set up a gay team?
A lot of my kind of homophobia at the time was embedded in, stereotypes. You can't like football, you're a gay man. You can't play football, you're a gay man. Or if you do, you're somehow worse than players who are straight. And I think that what we want to do is ultimately empower the people that come here to feel that no, it doesn't matter. What it does is it gives us strength and unity within the group to be able to kind of put those players out there and empower them to be themselves.
That was a real moment. I remember exactly where I was when I was told that information. I feel very kind of like humbled that we provide that environment for people.